Alright, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to build an online store using a really simple plugin. It's going to save you a lot of time. You don't have to manually input any product details. You can easily find products that fit whatever niche you're in just by using certain keywords. And I came across these products actually. I was experimenting with using these online store builders to help rank for a lot of different glass repair keywords. For example, I want to rank for window replacement, glass repair keywords. So I thought, well, why not create a store and have tons of products and just find products with that in the title? You know, like window lock replacements, all these different, related keywords that are just going to help my domain rank for so many things relating to glass, which is going to push all my keywords up. So the more keywords you rank for, the better, because the more relevant your site is. If you're trying to rank for window replacement and you rank for 100 other keywords about windows and doors and glass, that's going to help you rank for the keywords you want to rank for. So, like I said, in this instance, I made it just for ranking keywords, but what happened was it actually started, getting some affiliate sales. So I'm gonna show you the top of the page here. It only has 4 pages. This is a certain lead gen site I have. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add more products and some more categories up here on the top and just put the store out there a little more to possibly generate some more sales on that. So we will go to the plugin, and I'll put a link to the plugin in the comments below. I've already put my Amazon affiliate link in there, and that's a free thing you can set up. Just go to Amazon affiliate. You can create a free eStore if you want. You don't even have to have a domain, but if you have a domain and you want to add a store, then you go get your Amazon affiliate ID and the API keys, and you just put them in right here, and then you can start adding products really, really quickly. So let's add some products. All right. Now I'm going to import in these are the categories I have set up. I can always create more categories just by going over to products, go to categories, and you can add more categories and separate them, according to how you want it set up. So these are some of the main categories I've set up so far. So for example, let's go window film, window tint film. All right, and you can go all categories. I like to go to industrial because they pay a little bit higher percentage, I've noticed. So put in the keywords here. Let's do home window tint. Search for items. All right, and then here's some different stuff. Okay, we got window tinting tools, window tint film. So all this stuff is good, relates to window tinting. Import products. And if I didn't like any of these products, like they didn't match what I wanted to, I could just unclick them and they wouldn't import. And then it'll show the import right here. And you can do this with any niche. I've set up a couple different affiliate stores under some random topics. Maybe I'll show them in some other videos. I'm experimenting with, driving traffic from social media to them. I'm having some success, so I'll keep you guys updated. All right, so that's how easy it is, and you can just, look, I just brought in 8 products. I could add 100 products within an hour if I wanted to. I'll add just one more. A lot of people have to search for this stuff, window bead. All right, so we'll put some glazing bead in there. Let's see, sash, window sash. I like to see all the different, keywords it's going to help me rank for. Window shades. That one's not that good, but window sash here. Curtains and windows go together. Window sash, bead lock. All right, so we got some nice keywords in the title and some nice products that you never know. People are selling them, so people are searching for it. And it's not a really popular category, so you're not competing, with tons of tons of different websites selling this kind of stuff. Now you are competing with the big boys, so don't expect to get rich too quick. All right, so you saw me just upload 20 products. We'll go take a look and see how they came out. And this is nice because it automatically syncs everything, like new prices, updates, deals. So it takes care of everything. All you have to do is click upload and bam, it creates this page. We can take a look at it. All right, so we get a lot of keywords in a URL. Page looks nice. It puts images up there. And if you notice down here, it'll say they're hosted by Amazon, so we don't have to take up any of our space. It has a description in there. So it's good for content. And when they can add it to cart. And if you're running AdSense on your site, it actually puts some AdSense right there in the middle. Or you could turn AdSense off. But like I said, since this is like a lead gen site, I'm not too particular about it. I'm happy to get it monetized in any way. So I'll have the AdSense right on there. And when they go to checkout, it will take them over to Amazon. All right, and it has a 90-day cookie, so if they buy this product within 90 days, then you'll get your percentage. All right, so you saw how easy it was to do some products, and now you could, like if your site was mainly just the online affiliate store, you could change the headers up here. So I'll show you how to do that. We'll go over to menus. All right, this is the main menu. Product categories. We'll just put them all in there, screw it. Actually, no, I'm not going to put them all in there. I'll go auto glass products, and then I'll go window parts, just to, because those are my main categories. Add to menu. All right, and then if you put this down here, it'll be a sub item, and we'll take a look at how it looks. So window parts, we're keeping it as a separate main category with these sub items. All right, so now we have a few other options here with the sub options. So whatever your niche was, if it was funny dog costumes, for example, you could have Star Wars costumes, Christmas costumes, Halloween costumes, and a bunch of sub niches. So you can create what looks like a huge store. Okay, and all these pages right here, if you look, let's go look. I didn't have to create these. They're just product category pages. So even though this looks like a big site that had a ton of work done to it, all you do is upload those products like that, like I showed you, and it'll automatically have related products. Import all that data about them. All right. So I'll go ahead and keep these up here, and let's see if that traffic that's coming in actually buys any of this stuff, or if having these in the header up here in the main menu, let's see if it helps me rank for a lot of these related keywords. All right, thanks a lot. Check back in later.